Finally, Genpact sending the voice assessment, but the application form is maybe closed or not closed. I am telling you how to apply. First of all, understand one thing, that this is the 1 hour duration assessment test, but many students is eligible, many batch is eligible, and not only bachelor degree, even master degree is also eligible, and they are sending the assessment mail in the phase wise. If you see hiring team from Genpact, but what's going on? If you are skipping this video, you will not get to see the shortlisting mail, so please watch video till end. There is many thing you have to add in resume. I am telling you exact thing, just copy paste in resume and get the assessment mail. So this is a voice assessment. Duration of the test will be 55 minute duration, basically 1 hour का ही होगा approx, ठीक है. So voice assessment है basically, this is communication assessment and where you have to practice this I am telling you, ठीक है. तो first understand कि अगर तुमको ये रिसीव हो गया है तो अच्छी बात है, but there is resume shortlisting, this is not direct test opportunity. So if you want the direct shortlisting mail, ठीक है, जो कि Genpact की तरफ से आ रहा है, but this is 6 LPA package opportunity, so we can't take risk. We have to just put that domain which will help you 100% shortlisting, ठीक है. तो प्लीज एक बार देख लेते हैं कि क्या होने वाला है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, associate data science role is there. If you scroll down, don't take referral because this is absolutely for fresher. And if you scroll down, bachelor in science means BE, BTech, BSc, MCA, BSc or BCA, MSc is eligible. In computer science, IT, software engineering, obviously software engineering branches is eligible, and you have to just put all these domains which I am telling you. First of all, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, this is very compulsory. Second thing is any virtualization tool, anyone, Power BI, Python and SQL is compulsory. Now if you are putting these are database, programming language and some tools, complete हो गया ये. Second thing is you have to put in resume like machine learning, AI and NLP. Put all these domain in resume as soon as possible and put all interpersonal skill. If you see good verbal communication, ठीक है, and ownership of tasks and without superior follow up, सुपरवाइजर फॉलोअप, डेटा पाइपलाइन मस्ट इन रेज्यूमे ऐड करना है हमें. So the working location will be Bangalore and we are looking for technical sound and who is interested in working with customer environment. So I already told you what to add in resume to get shortlist. Now if you see here that about Genpact, if you want to read, you can easily read from here, but these are your responsibilities plus required skill. Put all these domain in resume and get shortlist. If you see here that structured and unstructured format data source, so you have to use data modeling is there. And one more thing, classification, unsupervised or supervised, we already know, we already learn in our academics like regression, linear, non-linear. regression तो पर ही होगा जो कि machine learning NLP का topic है. Put all these domain and put a bracket in front of these domain and type their basic, ठीक है. तो ये काफी सही रहेगा. You can easily tackle the interview also. So what's going on? First of all, understand 13th Feb maybe is the last day to apply. 14th January job posting, yesterday, day after yesterday they posted. So Bangalore location, full time opportunity, direct they are providing, and only grads is eligible, basically 25, 24, 23 batches eligible. One more thing you have to keep in mind, that 6 LP is the package and direct full time hiring is going on. Click on apply online as soon as possible, क्योंकि कभी भी जितना ज्यादा वॉल्यूम बढ़ेगा ना एप्लीकेशन का, ये जल्दी क्लोज हो जाएगी एंड फिर उसके बाद सिर्फ और सिर्फ असेसमेंट के मेल रिसीव होंगे. तो प्लीज अप्लाई अभी कर लो वरना तुमको नहीं देखने मिलेगा. प्लीज अप्लाई एज सुन एज पॉसिबल. Genpact की बिग अपॉर्चुनिटी है ये, जो कि 6 LP तक का पैकेज इजिली प्रोवाइड कर रही है. एंड फर्स्ट थिंग इज दिस इज वेरी इजी असेसमेंट, वॉइस असेसमेंट. यू कैन इजिली प्रैक्टिस फ्रॉम हायर मी प्लीज. वहां पे कुछ नहीं करना है, सिर्फ हायर मी प्लीज लिखना है. तो हमें मेरे यूट्यूब पे जाके और वहां पे वर्सन टेस्ट लिख देना, मेरी वीडियो आ जाएगी, जाके प्रैक्टिस करो. देयर इज 1 hour mock test of communication or voice assessment. Practice as much as you can. Second biggest off campus superset hiring graduate. Career fair, multiple role is there, multiple location is there, 24-25 batches eligible. Only 2 days is left. If you see here that 2.8 LP is the package, 3-year grads eligible. Software engineer, support application support engineer, technical support engineer, IT operation associate. There is 4 roles you can easily apply. And you can easily put domain which is written here. If you are applying for a software engineer, put all CRUD, database, any programming, troubleshooting, GitHub, low level design, methodology, SDLC, some testing, domain. Please add these in resume and apply it as soon as possible. Apply today because only 2 days is left. Second thing, entry level opportunity just announced. DevOps engineer application form is there. You can easily apply. BE, BTA, ME, MTech, CS, IT is eligible. 25 only batches eligible, and Bangalore location is the click on yes. Click on yes and immediate joining, and update your resume. Only DevOps is eligible, so please put all DevOps tools, technologies, programming language and Docker Kubernetes भी add कर देना, and please update your resume before applying. Last hiring is coming from IQVIA. If you see associate software engineer role is there, Bangalore location, full time opportunity. This is work from home plus office. MS SQL is compulsory. Basic clinical domain knowledge, interpersonal skill is compulsory. And if you scroll down, then here you can see multiple things like interpersonal plus IT domains, BTech and computer science, IT, software engineering. Computer application is compulsory. 25, 23, 24 batches eligible. Up to 1 year of experience is needed. SDLC means waterfall agile methodology is compulsory. Put all these domain resume, read from responsibilities, स्किल से भी जाके अपने डोमेन उठा के ऐड करना है रेज्यूमे में, बिकॉज दिस इज सपोर्ट टाइप रोल, बट यू मस्ट नो अबाउट डेटाबेस, प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज एंड इंटरपर्सनल स्किल्स, मस्ट नो अबाउट मेंटेनेंस ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, ठीक है, इन्फॉर्मेशन, टेक्निकल डॉक्यूमेंट विच कंटेन फॉर्म, रिपोर्ट, टास्क, ये सब जनरेट करनी पड़ेगी, विच इज वेरी इजी टास्क, यू कैन इजिली डू. So please put all these domain and apply it as soon as possible. Big and great opportunity is going on. So for Ganpact, I already told you what to add in resume to get the assessment mail, because already assessment mail is there. After that there is a interview, okay, after that there is HR interview. Maybe before interview they will give you one more technical assessment, because this is voice assessment, not technical. So maybe there is a technical, but 50% chances is there, and if not, then there is direct interview after voice assessment. So please complete your assessment within time period and update your resume, get the shortlisting mail and voice assessment test mail. Complete it as soon as possible. Apply for all 3-4 opportunities. Mega hiring super set. So go and apply it as soon as possible. If you have any query, just comment down. Thanks for watching.